Hello everyone. I'm excited to read you a book today that has a lot of alliteration in it. It is called Ellsworth's Extraordinary Electric Ears, and it's an alliteration alphabet. I'm just going to move you a bit closer here. As a project this week, we're going to be creating our own two letters of an alphabet, so we can look forward to that. An alliteration alphabet. Alistair had an alarming appetite for acrobats. Betty believed in a big but balanced breakfast. Carlton's curious carousel captivated the colorful carnival crowds. Dot dreamed of driving a delightfully dainty dump truck. You can see how the author has used repetitive beginning sounds in this book. Ellsworth's extraordinary electric ears were endlessly entertaining. Fancy feathered fashions were favored by Floyd's farm friends. Gwendolyn's good-looking gorillas were great gardeners. I love that one. You can start thinking about the beginning letter sound of something you know. A noun, a person, a place, or a thing. Holly was hugely happy in her humble handbag home. It's incredible! Igor's invisible ice cream was irresistible. Josie joined Judy on a jittery, jolly jaunt on her jackrabbit. Kyle's kids kept kites in the kitchen. Lucy's lopsided laundry line was loaded with long and loopy letters. As you're reading, you can start picking out what the noun is, the person, the place, or the thing, and what the verb is, the action. What is that person doing? Mario's mechanical mustache machine made many mistakes. What did the machine do? It made. That is the verb. Nigel's nifty newspaper neckties were nothing but a naughty nuisance. Otis often observed ostriches on opening night at the opera. The noun, Otis, is the person. Often observed is what he did. That's the action. That's the verb. He observed with his eyes. Ostriches is what he observed on opening night, where? At the opera. So we're including a lot of detail as we're writing these alliteration sentences. Pepita's pink paper parasols were particularly popular with pirates. Perfectly puzzling. Quentin quickly quieted the quibbling, quarreling, and quacking of the quintuplets. He quieted the quintuplets. Ruby was really rather remarkable at refrigerator rocket repairs. I hope you're getting some ideas for your alliteration sentence. We're going to be creating a class book. Supermarket salad snacking was Stanley's summer sport. So he loved going to the supermarket to snack on salad. Trust Trevor to tell you typing on a trapeze was terribly tricky. Uncle Upton's unusual utensils were unbreakable, unforgettable, and utterly useless. Vacationing in the valley of Violent Volcano was very invigorating for Violet. Wilbur worked wonders with wallpaper. Xanthia's X-ray explained her exuberance. Now you'll notice here that exuberance does not start with an X. However, with alliteration, it's important that it is the beginning sound that sounds the same and not necessarily the letter. Yates yelled, "Yippee for yellow!" And the last one, Zelda Zigzag Zebra was the zippiest at the zoo. I hope that you enjoyed this alliteration alphabet. It was very interesting. I want you to be thinking about nouns, verbs, action words, and some descriptive adjectives with the same beginning letter sound as you're creating your letter for our class alliteration book. Thanks for listening.